what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want.
Just tell me what you want, what you need, what you see, what you wanna be. Tell me everything, think it into being. That's how dreams become the real thing. A model of thinking, a bottle to sink in, yeah. I've been coast to coast around this whole globe. I've seen a lot of hope, yeah. I've seen a lot of nope, I've seen a lot of growth, but we can make it more, yeah. I'll tell you what I want in the middle of the club. I'm dancing up on my chick, I'm showing a little love. I'm listening to this track, got the speakers above, and feel like everything is coming all together at once. I want a good life, good nights, good friends, alright. Make a couple dollars from something I love to do right. Live my young life, grow old with some memories. Living each day with a good vibe energy. Tell me what you want, just take a thought and make it happen. The only way to live up in this life is with some passion. Don't let this life just toss you by, get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen.
Ano nga, adobo? Adobo ba?
Spicy ribs.
Spicy ribs. Nandito tayo sa Quiapo. Oh, nahulog.
Dami na nagtinda tayo, no? Depende po ka, mas. Kami ako lo. Uy, patoting siya. Ikaw. Dalawa. Magmamami daw ko dito. Mami ribs. Isang... overload daw. Ilang kanin? May kanin po? Isa lang. May sirip rice. Kulang po dyan. Ay, spicy ribs. Saka ano pa? Saka mami ribs. Patama. Spicy ribs, rice. Mami ribs. Saka mami overload.
Oh, nasa ba may baboy yan?
Po.
May paka yan?
Baboy lang po.
Kanila rin yan.
Mami overload daw po, saka isang spicy ribs solo. Yung pata ano dito, pata max, saka ribs na lang.
Oo. Sa inyo, ma'am.
Ay, may gatas.
Sabaw nila. Dito raw siyang patamak ang ano na lang, 5 minutes na lang. Facebook.
Kanino to?
May chili fries yan.
Kanino yun?
Wala ako sabaw muna. Hindi ako sabaw. Mami, ito daw pong daw.
Take out sa akin ay. Take out sa'yo. Walang rice. Ito, ma'am. Ay, sorry, sir. Bata, ma'am. Ay!
Yay!
Oo. Ha? Ano daw?
Yapulay, yapulay.
Bulalo yan?
Bata makuko.
Donut man muna.
Bili ka na lang ng kuryente.
Dalawang pula, dalawang babae yan.
Magkano sa patamak?
150 po.
May rice lang?
Yun. Donut.
Yung ano?
Dalawang
Travel.
babae yan, dalawang pula.
Patatim na lang sa akin, boss.
Wala pong patatin.
Ano yung pata mini nyo?
Pata mini sir, pata saka ano? Saka lechon.
Patamak.
Pata max po, pata, may ribs, may lechon.
Margarita.
Spicy ribs po.
Oh, nahulog.
May uli, ma. May uli.
Kuya mo lang, kuya mo.
Isa sa spicy rice.
Bye po.
Hindi na kailangan turo yan. Mag-usa na kayo. Mag-usa na kayo. Yung mga kasama niya, gumagalaw na eh. Kayo, hindi niyo pa tatawagin pa kayo.
Yeah. Pawalis. Computing
Yung mga pwesto po natin, panatili natin malinis po yan. Natin mga mag-uwag natin. Malinis sa mga produkto natin, ha? Panatiliin natin na malinis sa mga pwesto po natin. Malawag silang hanggang dulo yan, lalakarin po natin.
Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Sa mga mall ng bayan, memories galore. Bagong bukas, lumang alaala, we'll adore. Wow, Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Wow, Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Off to the mall, let's check the department store. Supermarket, arcade, always something more. Renovated now, but memories still shine. In every corner, naririnig ko pa ang tawanan. Wow, Ben, take us to our favorite mall. I miss the Philippines, I miss my childhood memories. Wow, Ben, wow, Ben, let's go. Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Sa mga mall ng bayan, memories galore. Bagong bukas, lumang alaala, we'll adore. Wow, Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Wow, Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Wow, Ben, with his online friends, Chick Dochi and Edlin, oh my supportive diba. Ursula, oh Ursula, ikaw ang noisy star, ang galing mag-English. Ikaw ang bida sa chat, kakarating lang ni Julia, galing at sa La Pacha. Sinamoro at Ivan Reyna for school. Erky F and CJ Walks, let's start the premiere now. Wow, Ben, tara na, let's explore. Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Sa mga mall ng bayan, memories galore. Bagong bukas, lumang alaala, we'll adore. Wow, Benvos, tara na, let's explore. Wow, Benvos, tara na, let's explore. SM Malls to Ayala Malls, just comment down below for our next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tara na, sama na, let's go.